Okay, here is the video I promised you. I'll walk you through the kitchen again. This is what we worked on last Saturday. Starting at the refrigerator, we've got a refrigerator panel on either side, then a cabinet above with crown molding and a fascia to get us to the ceiling. We got a bank of 4 drawers here. We got a super lazy Susan with trays, 2 of them, that look like this, and they spin independently. So you can put a decent amount of weight on those. Then you got a diagonal wall cabinet, and a wall cabinet, and a wall cabinet here. You've got a 12-inch cabinet with a door and a drawer. A sink base with a 36 wide sink base. You got your dishwasher. This you're going to use to store trays on a vertical. You got a wall cabinet, microwave, cabinet over the microwave, and another wall cabinet. Here you've got another super lazy Susan, but this one is a little smaller than the other lazy Susan. That's so we can give you more space here and avoid having to change the baseboard heat on this wall. Then we have a cabinet with a drawer and 2 doors. Behind these 2 doors are 2 roll-out trays. Then we have a cabinet with a drawer and a door that pulls out, and inside is 2 trash bins. Then we have the coffee station. The height of these wall cabinets are 33 inches, where on the other side, the height of the wall cabinets are 36 inches. And this is 48 inches wide. The cabinet is 48 inches wide. The countertop will end up being about 50 inches wide. Again, with fascia and crown molding going to the ceiling. If you want them, I could put decorative doors behind these chairs. I think you wanted those at one point. If you think you need those. But that is the general look of the kitchen design. Let me know if I can clarify anything. I will follow up with a more formal estimate for you. I wanted to get this part of the, presentation to you as soon as I can.